So I'm laughing because I'm trying not to cry, right? There was this huge hurricane. Isaias, am I saying it right? Whatever. I don't know, but he tore up our yard. Let me show you guys the backyard. First of all, look what it did to my windshield. Yep. And then that's the tree that fell down in my backyard. I don't even want to go back out there because that's not our tree that fell into our yard. It was the neighbors. So they're there like trying to clean it up, and I don't want to interrupt them, and I don't want them to think I'm going to help because I'm not gonna. I'm just not feeling it today. You know what I'm saying? Like on some days I can help, but other days I can't. Today I'm just gonna get into myself. I want to show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing jelly shoes, my favorite. I love jelly shoes. See them? And then I'm wearing a bag from Aldo, and just a big t-shirt and some jewelry like I always wear. And today I'm wearing a big curly wig tied up into a little two-strand ponytail. Anyway, yeah, let's talk about this hair that I'm wearing right now. This is the hair Vivi wig. I forget the name, but I promise you this time I will link it. I love it because it gives me the black girl vibe. You know, I'm really light-skinned. I'm a really light-skinned black girl, and I feel like I'm not always accepted in the culture, but when I wear my hair like this, you know, I'm one of the girls. You know what I'm saying? And I love it. I love it. I absolutely love my culture. I just wish people would love me the same way, and they don't always. So anyway, but that doesn't sway me either. It doesn't. It's not gonna make me change and like wear my hair like this all the time. I'm gonna do what I like to do, regardless of what it looks like to other people. I don't care. But I do like it when the girls like me. I like that. There's a few things I want to get, and I want to talk to you guys about that because I really don't know where I'm going to get it or if these things really exist. I didn't bring my sunglasses, and it's really bright out here. Yeah, so I want to get a proper. Oh, it is bright as fuck out here. Okay, so I went with my Fendi glasses. Still can't see a damn thing anyway. So I want to get a really, really good makeup brush. I bought that product, what do you call it again? Wonder Brow. I bought Wonder Brow, and it comes with this huge eyebrow brush that I still want to use the product because Wonder Brow is a product that lasts really long. I've tried it, but I want to get like a precision line brush. So I want to design a perfume, and I want the perfume to have a base note of cake. Because my husband really likes to he loves the smell of like pumpkin and cake and things like sweet foods like that, like sweet desserts. So to find like a cake scent to go under my philosophy Amazing Grace, I feel like I will smell like the haven for love. That's what I think. Yo, this dude's pants are down like all the way. Oh my gosh, she's naked. I'm very confused about what I just saw. I'm not understanding what I just saw. So there's this lady, she's in a wheelchair and on a hospital robe. Like she just came out of the hospital. And police are right there too. Like, why didn't they help her? Oh my God, it's so weird. All she has on is her hospital robe, and she's naked underneath it. And then the cops are there, like being useless. Oh, help the lady. Just clearly something wrong with the lady. Clearly she needs some help. And there's actually a woman there trying to help her, and the cops are just like, doo 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 doo, like how I was earlier with the neighbors. Doo doo doo, I don't see you, you don't know me. That's messed up, I tell you this. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you guys some footage of my week. I don't have much to talk about. Also, I think I used my wig a bunch of times in this throughout the weekend. I think I might be bipolar. I think that might be an indicator. So I think we're going to talk about that in the next video, about how I may possibly be changing my wigs too much. Now it's wig washing day. Usual Sunday morning for me. Get up, wash my wigs, get myself together, and then say hi. We're in Nordstrom, so this is downstairs and then to the right. So you go through that, and I guess it's down here. We're getting a bath. I'm sorry. No cap. Thank you.
You don't see it, we have one more of those there, and then I have a table in the back. I have a lot more.
Okay, very cool. Thank you. Fried shrimp.
I told you about this classic.
But that's not, that's I'm sorry. Shrimp scampi frito. That means it has pasta and all this other stuff. I just want the shrimp. Lightly breaded, fried, and tossed in our signature. Maybe, I'll take that. And then I'm going to get the watermelon margarita. And you're going to get out of your plate right there. Okay, so it's a rainy day today, so I decided to wear my Jack Daniels hat. Love it because, you know, my name is Action Jacqueline, so what better hat? I want to go out, have a couple of drinks, and kind of like enjoy my Friday. Maybe walk the boardwalk or something like that, but I really don't know how to vibe with a mask on. It's kind of a glitter mask. And it kind of matches with my outfit. I don't know. I missed get into this. Love these. Look how sparkly they are. Gonna have to get another pair.
Let's take it back real quick. Shout out my Boricuas out there. What's up?
DJ Self is in the building. Self is in the building.